Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing! Happy birthday, Schmoozy Boo!
Oh, Googly Bear!
Tore out my own. Then it grabbed me with its giant tongue and rolled me up and down like a yo-yo. It was horrible. I was minding my own business when this human child froze me with its tongue.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
It's a kid! Oh, it's a kid! Sweet monster!
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Celia, try to understand!
Come on, this way.
We have a 2319 in Barney. Got unit. Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here.
I have the girl's picture.
Situation is 990. Security guard. Spread out and lock it down.
I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Snail gun? Oh, no. It's Lemon.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Good night.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now.
Get ready, folks. We have to decontaminate you.
You have nice hair. Not a human. Ha ha ha! Young lady in the third row. Do you have your paperwork? That's going on your permanent record. But next time, watch out.